Welcome to our HubSpot for Jira series. We'll cover what it does, a use case, and the setup. Today, create new HubSpot object. So what does this rule actually do? In plain English, when something happens in Jira, this rule automatically creates a brand new object inside HubSpot. That something in Jira could be a new work item being created, a status change, a label being added, or really any trigger Jira's automation engine supports. And the new object in HubSpot can be a contact, a company, a deal, or a ticket. You choose which. A quick example. Imagine your support team creates a Jira ticket for a customer escalation. With this rule, a matching ticket can be created automatically in HubSpot, so your customer-facing teams see it instantly without anyone copying information across tools. One quick note on the name. The keyword here is create new. This rule always creates a fresh object in HubSpot. It doesn't update an existing one, and it doesn't look for matches first. All right, let's set one up. There are two parts to this. First, inside the HubSpot for Jira app, and then inside Jira's global automation. Part 1, inside the HubSpot for Jira app. Head to the HubSpot for Jira configuration and open the automation screen. Click to create a new automation rule. Give your rule a name. Make it descriptive, something like Create HubSpot Contact from new support work item. And really do remember this name, because you'll need to find it again in a moment. Select that this is a Jira to HubSpot automation. Select the action, in this case, create new HubSpot object. Select the Jira space the rule should apply to. Choose the HubSpot object type you want to create: contact, company, deal, or ticket. Set up your field mappings. This is where you decide which Jira fields populate which HubSpot properties. For example, the Jira reporter's email might map to the contact's email field. Save the rule. Part 2, inside Jira Global Automation. Now jump over to Jira Global Automation and create a new automation flow. Pick your trigger. For example, work item created or status change. Add an action, and from the list, find HubSpot CRM for Jira. From the HubSpot CRM for Jira Actions, choose Create New HubSpot Object. Then select the specific rule you just built, by the name you gave it earlier. Save and enable your automation, and you're done. And that's Create New HubSpot Object. A Jira trigger fires and a fresh HubSpot record appears. Next up, find HubSpot Object and link. Thanks for watching.